Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you trying out a new products. If you guys did see my beauty haul, I said I was gonna do a whole video trying out all the products that I did get in my beauty haul. So today is the day and I created this look right here. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using all the products, then you definitely have to keep watching. And if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started. So I already did my eyebrows because I didn't buy a eyebrow product, but I did buy some eyebrow gel. I got this one from Essence. This is the Make Me eyebrow gel and this is in the shade a soft brown. Now I was super excited to try this out because I'm in need of a new brow gel, and I saw Casey Holmes talking about it and she said that it's really good. So I wanted to try this out, but then Ulta Beauty gave me a bag of goodies if you guys saw my beauty haul, and they also included a brow gel, but this one is clear. So I'm gonna apply some of this, and I'm also gonna try out the Ulta Beauty one because I never tried that one out and I would just want to see if I like it. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this one to my brows, and then I'm gonna go in with the clear one to see. Well, actually I'm gonna do the clear one after I apply my tinted moisturizer. So I'm gonna apply after that and see how it looks. So far I like it. The brow gel went on very well, and I'm gonna let that dry, and let's move on to primer. All I did was moisturize my face, and they also, in the Ulta Beauty thing, they gave me a primer, and this is their mattifying face primer, oil-free, paraben-free, controls shines and blurs pores. Now I'm not an oily girl, I am a very dry girl, but I do want to give this a try. Oh look, it's a little squeezy tube. I've never seen that before. I'm just gonna apply some right here, just in that area because I have pores there. So I'm just gonna apply it there, and let's see how. Okay, it feels really good. It feels like it has like a silicone base or feel to it, but it doesn't feel that bad. It feels like really moisturizing to the skin. I wasn't expecting that, even though I don't have like oily skin. But it's good to try it out to see how it is. I like it so far. It's really good. On to the tinted moisturizer. I picked this up in my beauty haul also. This has SPF 30 sunscreen. It has a dewy finish, oil-free and paraben-free, and it looks like this. And I got mine in the shade medium warm. I'm so excited to try this out because when I swatched it on the back of my hand, I was like, it looks so beautiful. So I'm super excited to try this out, and I'm also going to be trying out a new sponge. I saw this sponge at Target. It's the Sonia Kesha sponge, and I love it. I fell in love with the marble detailing on this sponge. I was like, oh no, and it's really squishy. So I'm excited to try this. So I'm gonna do half of my face with the sponge to see if I like it with the sponge more or with the brush, and I'm gonna be using the Real Technique brush. So let's go ahead and apply this. Let me just shake it up a little bit. So I'm super excited to try this out because I never tried this out. So let's put some on the back of my hand. So I just apply some there, and if I need more then I'll go back, but just one squeeze is good. So I'm gonna go in with the sponge. I'm gonna use my right side for the sponge, which is your guys' left. So I'm gonna go in with this and see. Well, the sponge is really good. I like it. It's not that stiff. It's really good. Definitely see that it is a it does have a dewy finish, because it does say on the bottle, it says dewy finish. So really, really good for the days that you don't want to wear foundation and you want to wear something very light. This is it. It's really nice. So I'm going to go in with the other side with the brush. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush. Just going to apply some of that. Let's see. Okay, with the brush, I could definitely see that you could see more of the dewiness than with the sponge. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can see it like in the mirror. I could definitely see, like, I see more dewiness on this side than I do on this side. Yeah, I definitely do. And I see it in the mirror, so I could definitely tell, like, on my face that you could see it more. Okay guys, so I definitely love applying the tinted moisturizer with a brush more than the sponge. I feel like the sponge doesn't give me that dewiness like the brush does. I feel like this side over here looks so much more dewier than this one for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because the sponge is wet and, you know, it takes away from the product, but I definitely love the brush application so much better. Now about the tinted moisturizer, this is like for those light days you don't want to wear a heavy foundation and you just want to go in with something very light. This is very, very light. This is not going to cover up like any marks on your face if you have acne marks or stuff like that. This is definitely not going to cover it up. It's a very light coverage. I mean, it's a tinted moisturizer. It's not a full coverage foundation, but I like it. I mean, I don't have a lot of acne marks, like dark spots, but I do have acne and it didn't cover it up completely, but it's all right. This is my first time trying it. I'm giving you guys my first impression, but if my skin was super clear, no acne, I will wear this every single day if I'm not gonna wear like heavy foundation. So I like it so far. The color is like spot on, matches me well. I love it. If you guys are looking for a very nice, soft, like tinted moisturizer and not that expensive, I recommend this one because it's very, very good and it leaves you with a nice, pretty, dewy finish, and I love it. I'm obsessed. You guys know that I love anything dewy because I am dry skin, so I love it so far. So in the Ulta Beauty bag that they gave me when I made my purchases, they gave me a bronze and blush palette, and they also gave me an eyeshadow palette. This palette right here, and then the bronzer. Now this little thing right here, I'm definitely not going to use that. So I don't know what I want to do to my eyes because I don't see anything like I can use as a transition shade. So I'm going to go into the bronze. I'm going to go into the bronzer and blush palette, and I'm just going to grab the bronzer and use that as my transition shade. So before I do that, I want to set my eyes because I don't have a setting powder, but I'm going to use the Milani setting powder in Banana, and I'm going to set my eyes. So I'm just going to grab this brush right here and just let me set my eyes. Oh my god, the powder got all over me. So I'm just gonna set my eyes with this bronzer and blush palette, and I'm just gonna grab the bronzer because there is no transition shade in this little mini palette. So I'm just gonna grab the bronzer and just apply it to the crease, or use it as a transition shade, and then I'll use a shade from the other palette. Well, it's really pretty. It has a little bit of shimmer to it for some reason. I don't know. I am going to try out this bronzer because you guys know that I am obsessed with the Neutrogena one, and I haven't found a new one yet that I want to try. So I'm definitely on the hunt for a new one, just because, you know, it gets so repetitive of using the same bronzer all the time. So I definitely want to try a new one. Don't get me wrong, I love that bronzer. I will always love it because it's just so pretty and just gives you that bronzy look. But I think I'm gonna go with Honeycomb right here. This color right here, I'm just gonna apply that all over the eyelid. And let's see, I'm gonna use my finger. Well, I'm gonna attempt to use my finger and see how it looks. Okay, it's really, really bronzy, which is not bad. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. My battery is gonna die. No, don't die on me. Okay, love, so I am done with the eyes. For now, it's a very simple eye look because there's not that much that you can do with this eyeshadow palette. But I'm gonna move on to concealer. Now I'm gonna be using the Ulta Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. Like, this is not a new purchase for me. This is my absolute favorite concealer, right next to the Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes with this, and then move on to finishing up the eyes and the rest of the face, because I do have a highlighting palette that I'm super excited to use today. If you guys saw the haul, like, I got the Profusion highlighting palette. Guys, you guys know that I love the highlights from the contour palette, and I was like, when I saw that highlight palette, I was like, what? Like, I have to have it. It's $4. Like, come on. $4 for a highlighting palette. Can't go wrong. I love the sponge. It's really, really good. It's $7 in Target, so I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a new sponge. It's really, really good. Okay, so for eyeliner and mascara, I'm gonna try out this new mascara that I got, the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Volume Drama Mascara. So I'm gonna try this out and see if I like it. Let's try it out with you guys today. This is the wand. It's a very big, thick wand. So let's see. It does give you like that volume, but it's not like a boom, like you got false lashes on, you know. But it's a very good mascara. I like it so far. It's really, really good. I also been trying out this mascara from Maybelline. This is their Lash Discovery Mini Brush Mascara for my lower lash line. I'm obsessed with this mascara. If you don't have it, you need to have it. I saw Kathleen Light using it, and I'm obsessed. Like, I've been using it every single day for my lower lash line because I don't have a lot of eyelashes down there, so I need this one. It's just so skinny and so easy to get into the lower lash line. Look at that, guys. Like, I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna finish up with the mascara and put my eyeliner on, and I'll be right back. Okay, love, so I'm gonna go in with this brow gel from Ulta Beauty. It's a clear brow gel, so I want to try it out also, since I did get it in that little bag of goodies that they gave away. And it's really, really good. It's not that, I like it. It's good. It's setting my eyebrows, looking cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this bronzer right here from Ulta Beauty. I'm just gonna try to bronze my skin with this. Okay, loves, my camera turned off right when I was applying the bronzer, but the bronzer is not that bad. I think I like it. I could definitely work with it. I just saw that I did not try out two products from the Ulta Beauty. I didn't try the liquid luminizer, and I did not try the tinted eye primer. I am going to try these out in a different video so I can give you guys my first impression on this one, but I totally forgot. I saw it right after the camera died. My fault. But let's move on to blush. They did give me a Ulta Beauty blush brush, so I'm going to try it out today with the Benefit Living the California Dream blush. I don't want to try that other blush yet because I'm not a fan of very rosy tone blushes. So I want to try out the brush though, so I'm going to apply this to the cheeks and see how good the brush is. Oh, it's really, really nice. The brush is really, really soft. For the highlight, I'm going to be using the Profusion Highlight Palette. And I think I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. They're just so beautiful. Let's try them out. Guys, you know I'm gonna fall in love with this palette because I love the highlights from the contour palette. So you know, I'm definitely gonna love this one. Yes, honey. Like, look at that highlight. so pretty. And for $4, come on guys, you cannot go wrong for $4. This together, make sure there's no harsh lines. So I'm gonna spray my face with the Ulta Beauty Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. This spray is really, really good, if you ask me. Especially if you like that dewy finish. This spray is really good and inexpensive, so I recommend it. So next I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Matte Lip Kit. I'm gonna be using the lip liner and the lip matte or liquid matte. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. Okay, loves, so this is the finished completed look. Let me know down below what you liked about all the new products that I tried out. Please let me know down below. I mean, I don't have any misses so far. I think the only thing that I would not reuse is the palette, the eyeshadow palette. I feel like there's not much you can do with this palette because it doesn't have that many shades. It doesn't even have a transition shade to use, but everything else I think I love. I didn't get to try out the luminizer and the primer for the eyelids, but I would definitely try this out in another video for you guys to give you guys my first impression. But everything else I love. So yeah, I love how this look came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.